I put a little salt. I like this wash. Why? I want to remove the smell of the chicken. Okay? Use this one. Huh? Now, after keep some time. Okay? After keep some time, then you huh? Because this is then wash again.
Remove the water.
Yeah, just use water to wash again. Okay?
Use the same procedure.
Yeah. Then now put in the bowl like this. Like this. Huh? Huh?
Now?
Now the water there. Huh? Now I put this lemon.
Squeeze a lemon.
Yeah, squeeze the lemon. Can put this inside also. Like this. Now I'm doing the season. Okay?
This is seasoning
Yeah.
chicken.
Chicken. Yeah. Then put this one inside.
What is that? Onion.
Onion. Cut the onion.
You chop some onion,
Put inside.
put inside.
Then ginger also.
Chop some ginger.
Yeah.
Add.
Like this.
And mix it thoroughly.
Mix thoroughly. Then little chili.
Chili powder.
Yeah, chili powder.
Red chili powder. About 1 teaspoon.
It's Chinese spicy, mixed spices.
Chinese mixed spices
spices.
powder, about half teaspoon.
Yeah,
And then mix again.
mix again.
This is how much the quantity of chicken here? 1 kilo?
No, this 1 kilo, half kilo.
Half kilo.
Put a little salt.
Add a pinch of salt.
Yeah. Another kind of Chinese
Spice. What is that? Can you show me the bottle?
This is all for fried or chicken.
This is the okay.
Yeah. They also can use other kind. Then this is jila powder. We have
And
to put some jila powder. Jila powder.
jeera powder.
Chicken put the jila
About-
powder. 1 tablespoon.
1 tablespoon. Mix them thoroughly.
Sorry. Still not enough. Huh? Yeah, we just put a little more. Then I 2 tablespoon.
2 tablespoons
Yeah,
of
put more.
jeera powder.
Then also put a little more. See, like this.
And mix it thoroughly.
Mix it thoroughly. Then put a little oil. Okay.
Add little cooking oil. About 1 tablespoon.
If you like, you can put a little sesame oil. Sesame
If
oil
prefer and you like the
taste.
taste, you can add sesame oil.
Give it some flavor.
About 1 teaspoon, 1
Yeah.
2 teaspoons. So mix the whole thing thoroughly.
I think this one is still not
And
enough.
that is called seasoning chicken.
She just huh? A little more. That's 2.5 teaspoons.
What is this?
This is a jila powder.
Jeera powder.
Jila powder when you cook.
So jeera powder, you have to add 2.5 tablespoons or 3 tablespoons. And chili powder, not 1 teaspoon.
A little more. Give a good color also.
Chili powder, about 1 tablespoon.
Yeah. Now, overnight, tomorrow cook.
Now cover it with the skin. The chicken wings have been left after seasoning for 24 hours in the refrigerator. Now I am going to place it in the air fryer. Temperature 180, time 20 minutes. Now this is the completed dish. Add mint leaves,